Welcome everyone to another video. So today I am making mango milk balls. This recipe is so simple and easy, but it melts in the mouth, full of sweet mango flavor and divine taste, and perfect when you are looking for quick mango dessert. So without wasting any time, let's start it. We just need 3 ingredients to make this delicious sweet. In a non-stick pan, add Desi ghee and the milk powder and set on a low heat. Cook it on low heat for about 1 minute and then add mango pulp and mix thoroughly using spatula and keep stirring. You can also use khoya rather than milk powder and fresh mango instead of mango pulp. I don't get fresh mango here, so I am using mango pulp. If you like more sweet, then you can add sugar, but I am using sweetened mango pulp, so I am not adding any sugar in it. Continue to cook on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes until the mixture starts leaving the sides of the pan. Now we are gonna notice that the mixture gets thicker. It's kind of like a foldable consistency. Do not overcook. Now switch off the heat and remove the pan immediately. When the mixture is cool enough to handle, apply some ghee in your hands and shape into small round balls. Enjoy these delicious mango milk balls. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it and press the bell icon too, so the next recipe comes straight to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.